Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we're going to prepare Kerala Parotta. This is a popular soft layered parotta made with Maida. This can be served with gravy dishes. Let us see how to prepare Kerala Parotta. Here I have taken 1.5 cup Maida. Let us add an egg. Let us add salt. Let us add 2 teaspoons sugar. Let us add 1 tablespoon oil. Let us mix it well. Now let us add half cup milk. Let us mix it again. This is well mixed now. Let us add a little water and prepare a dough. The dough is now formed. Now for at least 15 minutes, we need to keep stretching it and reducing the stickiness. The more we stretch the dough, the softer will be the parotta. We can use a spoon in this manner to scrape the dough. The stickiness of the dough is much reduced now. This is sufficient. Let us apply a little oil. Let us cover and keep for 4 hours. Four hours are over. The dough is very soft now. Let us divide it into portions. Then I have taken half cup Maida. Let us pour a little oil. Let us flatten the portions thin with our hand. To the first layer, let us apply a little oil. Let us dust a little maida. Let us keep the second layer on top of the first layer. Let us again apply a little oil and dust a little maida. Let us arrange all the layers in this manner. All the layers have been stacked now. Let us apply a little oil on the top layer also. Now let us cover and keep for 2 hours. 2 hours are over. The dough is very soft now. Then I have taken 2 plates. Let us apply a little oil on the plates also. We are not going to fan out the parathas. We are going to stretch them into thin layers. Let us separate each layer. While separating the layer, let us stretch it in this manner. Then we will have a thin stretched layer. I have laid out the stretched layer onto a plate. Let us apply a little oil. Let us dust a little maida. Now let us pick it up from one end and fold it onto the plate in this manner. While folding it, we should keep it a little separated. It will look like a turban. It is okay if the layer breaks while stretching. The idea is to get it very thin. Let us separate the other layers also. We have separated all the layers and folded them into small turbans. Let us apply a little oil on each portion. Let us heat a tava. Let us apply a little oil. Let us pour a little oil. Let us flatten each portion thin with the hand. Let us flatten them as big as possible. Let us put the flattened portion on the tawa. Let us cover and keep the remaining portions. Let us turn the parota. Let us apply oil on both sides. We need not cook the parota for a long time. As it is very thin and soft, it will cook very fast. The parota is a little brown now. This is sufficient. Let us move it to a plate. Let us pour a little oil. Let us spread out thin the next portion also. Let us prepare the remaining parota in the same manner. While hot itself, let us beat the paratha in this manner. This will help the layers bloom. The parota is soft. There are layers. All the Kerala parota are now ready. Let us transfer them to a serving tray. Hope you like the Kerala parota preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.